In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to register and make an account in the Oxford Learn platform. This is going to be really useful to take full advantage of your course. The first thing is to go to Google and write Oxford Learn. Okay? Here you get the official site and you click. Once you're in the site, you can go down and you can click where it says System Requirements. And if you pay attention, here my browser is telling me that we have some problems. First, we have cookies disabled, and we have also the pop-ups blocked. For the platform to work, we need to enable these two characteristics in the browser. I'm very happy to tell you that fixing these problems is really easy. You just click on these three dots and you go where it says Settings. If you have your browser in Spanish, then it's going to be Configuraciones. After that, you go down and then you click Advanced. Then you go and click Content Settings. After that, you can see cookies, location, camera, microphone. The first thing you're going to do is that you're going to enable the cookies. So you click and then you just click here to enable them. Okay, cookies are enabled. And now we need to look for the pop-ups. So here they are, pop-ups and redirects. You click and you just enabled. As you can see, they are now allowed. Now that you're already enabled and allowed all the pop-ups and cookies, you can check the system requirements again to see if everything is okay, and then you can visualize that everything is okay. Then you have here the main website, and you have two options. You can include your username and password if you already have an Oxford ID, or you can create a new one. I already have one, but we're going to do the process to create a new one, just in case you don't have one. Thankfully, creating an Oxford account is really easy. You just write your full name, then you're going to write your email address. It has to be a valid address. I mean, you need to have access to check your email. Then you're going to create a password. This password needs to have minimum 6 characters and include one lowercase letter and one uppercase letter with no spaces. After that, you're going to confirm your password to see if you have it clear. Then you're going to include your country, the time zone, some security information to ensure that it's you and no one else who is accessing the platform. Then you click that you accept the terms and conditions, and then you click Create My Account. Since I already have an account, I decided to create one using my husband's data. As you can see, here is his name, his email, the password. The platform is telling me that the password is strong, that's something good. Then all the information is completed, and then I just click here. It says you can now sign in the following username and password. So my username is going to be this one. And the password is the one that I created before. Once you click continue, then you get here and you have 3 options. One is to access the content, to enroll in an organization or in a class, or to register an organization. You're going to click here, join a class. As you can see, in this case, the platform is asking you for a class code. This code is sent by your teacher. You can receive it through email, or the teacher can give it to you physically. So in this case, my husband received it by email. So we go to his email and it says Invitación para inscribirse en clase de Oxford. If you see, this is the code. It says su código de ingreso es, and then here you have the code. You copy it and then you paste it Then you click continue. User ID, this is optional, okay? And it says Mario Mendes organization, so that is okay. So we click continue, and it says you are in the class, and then it says the class that you are in. Then you click accept, and then that's it. This is the course. You are successfully enrolled. You can click here to see the course. Now that you get to this point, the platform is asking you for a second access code. This access code is inside your book in the last page. So you have to go there to the last page, and you have to peel a small black paper to see your code successfully. Once you have entered the code, you just accept the terms and conditions and you click continue. Then you get here, this is the course. It says your name, in this case my husband's name, and you can go to the content. Here you have the course overview, bookmarks, contents, resources, some listening. You can go to the listening exercise and you can just start. I hope you have lots of fun by working on these activities. They are very interesting and you can learn a lot. When you need to move from one activity to the next, you just click the arrow and the system leads you to the next activity. If you pay attention, there are instructions and you complete it. Once you complete the activity, you can click submit. And well, right now it's telling me that I haven't finished, but I say okay. And then the system is going to check. If you don't fully understand why your answers are wrong or you're having problems with the platform or you need anything, remember that your teacher is always there to help you. This is the end of the tutorial. Hopefully it was very useful for you.